strategy eyorekerire abantu abari kutura muri Masindi Burisa Kiryandongo Noya hamwe na Pakwa cyahiba kugira ngo Ebisharara binane imyanya ebyetorire Action Force Albert Delta Ramsar site kandi bakugira ngo imyanya ginemanyo munsi yona nkeyetorirwe Ebisharara ahabwa abantu abo bashimkwana babirinda
Masindi okora umurimo gw'amani mnono okora plan erije kutuyamba okulango ekisharara kitu cha Delta ya Machizon tibakishisha ninga ticyashishikara
babire bari mu rukiko rw'abembezi omuri Bunyoro region akiriza bya Ruhanga ori executive director wa Nature Uganda agizirengwe Ebisharara nebihereza amezi ebyenyanja hamwe n'umushenyi ari kugira ngo abantu kubakwa batabirinzire ebi nebasa kusisikara kandi bisishe na nebyo buhangwa
abantu bitu babutosha abari hine Ebisharara okukirinda nk'Ebisharara cyabo ahubwo niko turaganyirwa mu munonga okusinga abandi bona tagambira abantu bensi yona itwe bakererire nitwe turasiganyirwa mu munonga niko tushimire okukireberera ninga shokushirira
Daniel Businge original wetland coordinator habwa Western Uganda kurwo mu kitongore cy'amizi hamwe n'ibyo buhangwa agizirengu Ebisharara bikacendera kurga hari square kilometers emitwari 3 na kashanju 5 na mwenda umwaka gwa 1994 byaza ha mitwari 3 na gumwe 2017 umwaka w'2015 nkonka kubahigire kushika umwaka w'2021 ebire byayoyongire kuzaha mitwari 3 nkaga na 2.
So between 1994 and 2015 the average of 2.5 on Uganda surface area, which as of now is 1.6 Uganda surface area, there has been a reduction, but as we talk now the decrease in the wetland coverage was due to a lot of encroachments.
Wilson Kagoro or conservation officer omukitongore cha Uganda Wildlife Authority kandi orukora Action Force National Park agizirengu okuzibera abantu okujuba okuhiga nebimwe kubasa kurinda Ebisharara omyanyeji.
We are doing all that is possible to conserve this very important Ramsar site. One, we are ensuring there is no fishing that takes place. If anybody engages themselves in fishing, these are arrested, taken to court, and they are prosecuted. We do not allow any illegal activities, including poaching, to take place.
Umuringo ngogumwe Samuel Magambo horiyo muhwezi wa mukuru w'abakozi aba district ya Burisa hagizirengwe miringo mingi nebasa kutebwaho kureba ngo Ebisharara byagaruka ombuteka.
Management of wetlands and natural resources has existed time immemorial, and we are optimistic that if we can revitalize the structures which existed under the cultural and clan systems, for example, totems are one example of how people used to respect animals and birds, and each clan had specific species to protect. That was an informal way in which our customers in Bunyoro protected the wetlands.
Gu hayongere agira mu Action Force National Park nereta sente nyingi omuri Burisa hamwe na districts jetorire kandi yagira ngo buri mwaka Burisa netunga sente ziri kurenga biliyoni 1 kurabira mu kitongore echa Uganda Wildlife Authority.
This Machizon Falls is a source of revenue to all the local governments in the catchment. Burisa gets approximately 1 billion every financial year out of revenue sharing a program under Uganda Wildlife Authority, which has helped us to put up so many structures and government establishments like Uganda Health Center 3, Burisa, we have Vocational Institute starting, called Kirama Vocational Institute. All those plus other sub-county headquarters have been constructed out of these funds.
Gasha kwa Innocent Tuganyira abwa Tayari West omuri Masindi.